Okay, segmentation. Let's spend a couple of minutes on this as well. Now, although it is of utmost importance to secure an enterprise Wi-Fi network, by utilizing strong encryption and a AAA solution, an equally important aspect is for wireless security is definitely segmentation. So it's good to have strong encryption, as we discussed in the last video as well. Strong encryption is good. AAA solution also is very good. But an equally important aspect is also security. For wireless security is segmentation. Okay, this is also very much needed. Now, prior to the introduction of stronger authentication and encryption techniques, wireless was, before this whole strong encryption and authentication solutions came in, wireless was viewed as an untrusted network segment, right? It was, for a long time, wireless was viewed as an untrusted network segment. Now, then came the .11i ratification happened, and anyway, so network untrusted is wireless for a long time. Okay, for a long time, wireless was an untrusted network. Now, then came .11i ratification happened, and security ratification, and the amendment came out, and kind of wireless also became as secure as wired. Now, once the users, onto the network resources are authorized, now users can further be restricted, or as to what resource they may be accessing, and where they can go. That's called segmentation. So now, once they're authorized, once we know they are authorized and of course authenticated and authorized, now further doing the restricting them from a particular resource is called segmentation. Further restricting them is called segmentation. I'm sure you know an example of it is called WLAN. In which WLAN to put the user, which means which resources can they access. They also can be done by including the firewalls, right? They can be used by VPNs, right? So these are like common examples to do segmentation. The most common one that we know for .11 is the WLAN strategy, right? And that is the most common segmentation method of users. Now, VLANs can be intertwined by RBAC. Okay, that's called role-based access control. That's also a part of segmentation that we will discuss also. But yeah, that's just one more way of doing segmentation over the Wi-Fi network. And this is, basically it's a pretty simple thing. Segmentation is nothing but it's a method chosen to separate user traffic within a network, right? Within one network, it's a method chosen to, let me just write that down so that chosen method of separating user traffic within one network, right? This is what segmentation is in one line. Okay, yeah, this was it about segmentation. Let's talk about monitoring and policy for a couple of minutes in the next video. Thank you.